Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. I'm pleased to be back from Christmas vacation. I hope everyone had a great holiday. Let's get back in the market. Bitcoin's gone crazy, well over 30,000, 31.2 right about now. So there's a lot going on. I'm going to talk about two trades today that were assisted by Altcoin Alert. Let's go to their website. Now, it was yesterday morning, around 7:30 or so, and I was looking for some trades to make. Sunday can be a good day to trade. I like to work about an hour or two evaluating trades and setting alerts and see if anything pops throughout the day. Sunday night is an excellent time to trade because that's Monday morning in Asia. Anyway, so I did find, through looking at the Altcoin Alert, the coin Ocean, but I did not make a screenshot of it. And obviously, it looks quite a bit different now. So here's what I was looking at yesterday. Around 750, it was bullish, 62.9. This is a coin I've traded off and on throughout 2020 with pretty good success, so it caught my eye. And I know there was some chat on the Altcoin Alert Slack group as well. So I'm going to work my way over there. Okay, here we are at the Altcoin Alert Slack group. I've done a search for the coin Ocean to point out some of the posts I was looking at. Some of the traders I respect, Alan, Terry, Skoman is new, but he's been chipping in quite a bit lately. And Joshua Martin, we're all talking about Ocean from 1 a.m. I don't know what kind of hours Joshua's keeping, but anyway, throughout the day. So this coin was sort of stuck in my head. It was something I wanted to look at when I sat down to do my Sunday night trade. So let's go to the chart. Okay, here we are on the Ocean chart. And this is what I was looking at. But I had not updated my Fibonacci retracements. So let's do that. Let's look at that briefly. With this bull market, it's been more and more difficult for dip traders like me to find trades. So instead of just going for the 1, 2, 3 dips, I've had to go to more of a trading range style. And here's what I was looking at on last night on the day chart for Ocean. I identified this point here as a low in the trading range. So that's about 24 cents. And this one right here, it's a high of about 60 cents. I'm looking for the closing candle and its wick, which is why I'm not choosing these two, because they did not close at this price. They closed below this one. So this is the trading range I've identified. I'm not going to go through Fibonacci retracements. That would take way too long. I can tell you generally that this blue rectangle here is roughly halfway between the low and the high. So the coin Ocean yesterday was in the blue zone, in the trading range, and I think it has a pretty good chance to go up to the red zone, which is the sell zone. Again, slightly higher than this blue rectangle. Maybe I should do something on Fibonacci retracements in the near future, but this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking for it to go back into this area here. So let's go to the 5-minute chart, and I've got a trend. I've got some green candles going up here nicely, and then a little bit of a dip. So I get in here at 41.60 at 7:56 p.m. Coin rises, dips, rises again, takes me out at 11:18 p.m. at 44.70 for 7.34% profit. I set my sell order slightly below the red zone in case other traders were using the same trading range for their Fibonacci retracements. It's a really common tool to use. So that was some of the reasoning there, and it worked out nicely, over 7% in about 3.5 hours. So that's a good day trade. Next, let's go check out the trade I made today based on a significant develop or a SigDev from Altcoin Alert and XLM. Okay, so here we are on the XLM chart, and it was in the 11 o'clock hour today, and I was doing my usual late morning workout. I was on the elliptical. I was moving along to my Nicole Scherzinger playlist because I got a thing for Nicole. Anyway, I get a SigDev from Altcoin Alert. Let's check that out. Okay, so here we are on the Altcoin Alert Slack group, and here's the significant development. Ukraine government partners with Stellar XLM for CBDC project. A government pairing with a crypto is big news, I think. So I put Nicole on pause, and I go on my my Binance app on my phone while I'm on my elliptical, I might add, and work my way over to XLM. But I want to take advantage of a little bit of leverage. So instead of trading XLM, I go to XLM-Up, and let's look at that chart. All right, so I've limited options on my phone on my elliptical, and I just buy this based on by the SigDev. I don't really do any analysis. But I do look back and see on the chart that I was able to look at that it had previously been at 8.323. So I buy this at 7.08 at 12:04. I finish my workout, come back to my computer, and reevaluate, seeing there's another set of resistance points here. So I go ahead and sell into the buy order book at 7.509, 12:55 for 5.953% profit. So based on the SigDev, I get almost 6% in 40 minutes, 50 minutes. So that's a good trade. Love that. So anyway, that's all I have today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm well over 200 subscribers now on my channel, so that's awesome. I appreciate it. And please stay tuned for some additional messages, and check out the tools and resources in my comments below. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.